Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you two ways to fix the scaling images with Shift key in Photoshop. When you press Ctrl T to transform using the Shift key, it no longer does the scaling equally and it does the exact opposite. But when you don't hold the Shift key, it scales equally. So people using Photoshop for decades having confusion and constantly going back and forth. Personally, I feel a little frustrated with this new update. So here are the two quick easy ways to fix this. Open a new Notepad. Copy paste this text, which is in the description below, and save it in your Adobe setting folder. So it should go to the C drive, user, it should be under your username, app data, roaming, Adobe Photoshop CC 2019, and Adobe Photoshop CC 19 settings. Under here, just save the name to PSUserConfig and just save it. And you can see now the scale works properly with the Shift key. Step 2 is even more easier. Open any Photoshop file and go to Edit, Preference and General, or you can press Ctrl K. Under General, just activate the Use Legacy Free Transform. This will enable when using the Shift key to equally scale. So that's it guys. If you guys are new to my channel, I play video games, software reviews, tips and tricks. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. So if I post any videos like this, you will get notified. Thank you so much for watching this. This is Ganesh from FIGG. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I guess that's why they pay me the big bucks. You want something done right? You do it yourself.
All right, scrubs, enough's enough. I'm coming down.